Hi, welcome to TruckSmart. I'm Carl. Today I want to show you this brand new Ram 2024 5500 Crew Cab Tradesman Dually. It's a 6.7 liter Cummins inline turbo diesel. Made it to a 6-speed Ison automatic transmission. The truck is 4-wheel drive with high and low ranges and comes with a limited slip differential. Take you inside here. So as I said, this brand new 2022 Ram 5500 comes with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, 6-speed Ison automatic transmission. It is a 4-wheel drive. The truck has power windows, power locks, cruise, tilt telescopic steering, Bluetooth, backup camera, and PTO driven. This truck was outfitted with a Voth 11-foot open utility body. This body is aluminum, rugged construction, double skin reinforced doors, adjustable shelving in all the compartments. The diamond plating even extends into the wheel wells, as well as for protection on the fronts of the bodies. You have central locking on both sides, drip molding, fully integrated step bumper. This truck is equipped with a tow package, backup camera, 2,000-pound D-rings mounted in the floor, as well as the additional diamond plating reinforced flooring. This truck is equipped with a 52-gallon fuel tank and has a 19,500 GVWR. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. My name's Carl. You can reach me here at 215-828-1572. This truck was built right here in our 21,000 square foot facility. Has a 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, 5 years, 100,000 miles in the powertrain, and 3 years on the body. Thank you so much and have a great day.